Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl frizzeecurlz back again with another YouTube video. So if you're an old time subscriber, you already know it's a concert on wash day, so don't judge me. We about to just get into this wash and go, and I hope y'all enjoy this video. So like any other wash day, I'm starting out by wetting my hair, making sure it's nice and saturated before I get to shampooing. Y'all, it's been like 3 months since I've seen my actual natural hair. So yeah, it's definitely time for wash day. So the shampoo I'm going to be using today is the Maintain by Dollar Curl Club. It is their Hydrating Gentle Cleansing Shampoo with coconut and aloe. They actually sent me a good amount of products before I went ahead and did my protective styles, so I was only able to film like one video using their products. So I figured since I still have some of the shampoo, I might as well go ahead and use it. But upon washing my hair, I realized I probably should have used my color treated shampoo just because my hair has been in a protective style for so long, but it is what it is. Honestly, after having protective styles, I like to use shampoos that are, you know, more for my scalp rather than my hair. So I do find this shampoo by Dollar Curl Club to be very cleansing for my scalp. And typically I like to wash my hair in 4 sections, but if you ever see me washing my hair in just 2 halves, just know I'm being very lazy. But you will see later in this video that I just went ahead and did 4 sections because I already knew my hair was very dirty, so it was no need to just try to bullshit my hair and just do it in 2 sections. So yeah, I did go ahead and later section my hair into 4 to just further cleanse it. I actually did shampoo my hair twice as well, just to make sure all of the dirt was out, because when I tell you my hair was dirty. Now, I don't typically do this because I hardly ever detangle my hair with shampoo, but for the sake of this video, I went ahead and took some of my Aussie moist conditioner and just put a little bit on the section just so I can finger detangle my hair. So if y'all actually don't know, I did go ahead and put some box braids in my hair for about 2 months, and then after the 2-month mark, I basically changed the box braids into faux locks. So I had those faux locks in for about 2.5 weeks. And if you've seen the removal process of the faux locks / box braids, then you did see me go ahead and like finger detangle my hair to get any of the excess dirt and shedded hair out. But aside from doing that, I didn't do any further detangling, so my hair is definitely tangled, which is why I'm using the conditioner to help aid the shampoo in the detangling, because I know if I was to just not detangle anything in the shampooing process, it would just be a lot more harder later. But I'm just going to be repeating these steps with wetting my hair, adding the shampoo, scrubbing my scalp, taking some of my Aussie moist conditioner and putting it on that section to help detangle my hair. And that's really it for the washing part. And I don't know about y'all, but I do find it at least necessary to include how much hair came out during the wash day process. I don't know if a lot of people do that, but you know, I decided to show you guys. So I really only had like 2 little balls of hair for each side of my head. Moving on to the deep conditioning part, I'm going to be taking this Palmer's coconut oil deep conditioning protein pack and just mixing a couple of my favorite oils with it. I already did one side, and as you can see, my curls is poppington. But before I do add any of these products, I like to make sure my hair is saturated with water. One thing about me, I'm gonna make sure my hair is saturated with water before I apply any products. Period. So I used a total of 2 deep conditioning packs on my hair. I split each half into 2 and basically only use half of the pack on one section and the other half on the other section. Of course, not forgetting to add my oils. So the first oil that I did take was the Belle Curlee Tropical Oils blend. I actually really do like this oils blend, but I only had maybe like an ounce if that left, so I just decided to use that oil along with this black castor oil. If you guys want to see my washing day tutorial featuring a line of Belle products, I will leave that video down below in the description box, and I probably will link it in this video as well. You can really see from that video versus this video how healthy my hair was at the time. In this video, I mean, my hair did come out good in the end, but I definitely can tell a difference from the previous wash and go videos versus this one. So yeah, I probably won't ever do a protective style for 3 months anymore. Y'all know I only keep my protective styles for like 2 weeks, so that was definitely a stretch, and I won't ever do that again. And of course, when I do my deep conditionings, I make sure I sit under the dryer. Since my hair is kind of like low porosity or normal porosity, I only sit under it for about 15 minutes before I rinse it out. Clearly, Shelly had to make her little debut in this video, so go ahead and say hey to her. If you're wondering who Shelly is, that is my wisdom dreadlock. If you want to know more about her, I will leave that video down below in the description box as well. It answers pretty much any question that you probably will have. So yeah, go check her out. But yeah, it's nothing really to explain here. I'm just rinsing all of the conditioner and oil and all that stuff out my hair. And then after I do this, we're going to move on to styling. And we're about like 2/3 of the way done. Maybe 2/4. We're halfway done. Now I'm just parting a side part for this wash and go. Typically when I do wash and goes, I actually like to do side parts. I mean, middle parts is cute, but I don't know, I just feel like side parts fit my head and my face better. So that's what I'm gonna do. And to style my hair, since I have so much hair, I'm not going to do it all in one go. I'm just going to section it into 2 halves and work my way around. So the only 2 products I'm going to be using today to do this wash and go will be the Aussie Moist conditioner that you guys saw earlier, along with the Curly Belle Jelly Coconut Styling Gel. Normally I do my wash and goes with conditioner only, but I felt like, you know, since my hair hasn't been done in 3 months, that it might need a little extra hold or a little extra styler, so that's why I took the Curly Belle product. But otherwise I would have just used conditioner and called it a day. And y'all, this is like one of my top 3 favorite conditioners ever. Like as soon as you put it, well, as soon as I put it on my hair, like my fingers glide through it like butter. So again, I just make sure that each section that I do take is wet, saturated with water. And then I just add a little bit of the Aussie Moist conditioner, work it on that section, making sure it's nice and detangled. Taking the styling gel, smoothing it on that section, and then I'm just going to take my Denman brush to define my curls. Also, again, I feel like I'm just about to be plugging all my videos, but if y'all want to see a full tutorial on basically how I define my curls using my Denman brush, I do have a video on that, and my hair was actually red at the time, so if y'all want to see a different color, you know, go ahead and check that video out. But my favorite way to do wash and goes is taking conditioner and using my Denman brush to define my curls. That's like the best wash and goes I ever get on my hair. Anywho, I'm about to just be repeating the same process with the conditioner and styling gel until all of my hair is coated and defined. And then once that's done, we can move into the fluffing and picking and slaying. Whew. Okay, y'all, we finally almost done. So this is the last part of the wash and go. But I ain't gonna lie and act like this was like right after I finished washing my hair. This is actually like 2 days later. So I did let my hair dry for those 2 days. But the only things I'm about to do to my hair is just add some of my oil mixture and pick it out with my pick. And if y'all are wondering how I slept with my hair, I slept exactly how y'all see it. I put a scarf around my edges, which look a little crusty. And I just clipped where my parts separate basically, just so it can dry in the direction that it needs to. So yeah, all I'm doing is just taking my oil mixture, working it on my hair, focusing it really on the ends, but you know, just working it all over my hair. And then I just pick it out until my heart is content. Now, being that it was 2 days later, and I'm gonna be real with y'all, I don't really sleep the best way with my natural hair. Like, clearly I didn't sleep with a bonnet on. My pillowcases actually are not satin. So, you know, just a little things that add to the frizz, but it's okay because I go by frizzeecurlz and my curls is frizzy, period. So for my edges, I will be using my favorite edge control ever. This is the Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade. Just slicking down my edges, you know, the regular. I still have not filmed an edge tutorial, so if y'all really want an edge tutorial, I mean, I can give y'all one. Otherwise, y'all just gonna be seeing me do my edges in any future hair videos. Once I slick my hair and edges down to the way I like it, I will take a couple bobby pins just to make sure like the actual edge part of my wash and go is like kind of laid down a little bit, because I don't like the super frizzy look at the beginning of my hair. I don't know about y'all, but I just don't like it, so I just slick that down. And that's really it, y'all. So this is how my hair turned out today. I personally still like it, although it isn't, you know, my best wash and go, but it's still cute to me, especially after not having anything done to my hair in 3 months. Like, I'm really not mad at this wash and go. Like, my curls still popping, like the shrinkage is still there. It's just the fact that it's a little bit more frizzier than I would like, but I am not mad at this wash and go. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way to my next video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.